3D animations like this going viral, people are uploading it on their channel and they are making money out of it, and you can actually do that for yourself. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create something like this, upload it in your channel, get monetized and start making money with it. Okay, but first, before we go into that, let's watch this video together, and then I'll come back and show you 3 steps you can actually do this all free. Okay, with free tools, you don't need to pay anything. The 3 steps are all free.
We have to help. God is guiding us. God, please help us. We did it together.
We made a great team.
Alright, now that you're done watching it, do you like the video? Do you want to create something like that? Alright, so I'm going to be showing you how to create this with these free tools. Step 1. Here, we are going to be using ChatGPT to write our script. So first you have to go to ChatGPT and then paste your prompt. So if you need the prompt I'll be using, just type prompt in the comment section and I'm going to give you the prompt. So once you're in the ChatGPT, my prompt is already ready. So I have to paste my prompt here. Okay, if you need this prompt, just let me know in the chat and I'm going to give it to you. Then all you have to do is just edit the prompt and put your own story. Now I edited the story I have there before and put I want a Bible story, and then go ahead and edit some characters there. But for the course of this video, I won't be editing it that much so that this video will not be long. So I just edited few things from this prompt, okay? But to you, you can actually edit the story and then leave every other stuff there, okay? And then I sent it, and right now ChatGPT have generated the story for me. It has generated the story, the characters, the scene by scene, the prompts for the images, and everything. So once I'm done with this and I like the story, so if you like the story, just go ahead and we enter step 2, where we are going to be converting the prompt to images. Okay, so this story is okay by me, so I'm going to be heading over to step 2 right now. Step 2. Step 2, we are going to be using Qwen AI to get our consistent character. You know why we are doing this? We need all the scene to have the same character. We don't want different characters. So we are using Qwen AI. So what we are going to do, come to ChatGPT and copy our characters. Once we copy it, we head over to Qwen AI and generate the character. So that's what I'm doing here. I'm going to copy my character now, head over to Qwen AI and generate the characters. Now I have copied the character, just press Ctrl C. Remember, you can do whatever I'm doing with laptop with phone, okay? Just go ahead and copy your character, click on image generation, and then paste the prompt. So once you paste the prompt, make sure you go to this setting. If you want it to be TikTok setting, select 9:16. If you want it to be YouTube setting, select 16:9. Okay, aspect ratio. So once you are done with that, our image is generating. We are going to wait for it to generate, and once it's done, we are going to start the generating scene by scene images with this Qwen AI. All right. So right now my image has generated. Can you see the boy? Can you see the force? If you like it, you can go ahead and save it. If you don't like it, you can actually go ahead and regenerate. Okay. Then once we are done with our character, the next step is to now generate our scene by scene images. So I'll head over to ChatGPT again and copy my scene one image. Once I copy it, I'll head back to Qwen Chat, Qwen AI, and then paste it there and generate my scene one. Okay, so I'm going to do this for all the scenes and generate all the scenes. Okay, so once we are done with the step 2, we are going to head over to step 3. All right. So I'm going to speed up and generate all these things, okay? I hope you've understood how to do this generation so that you don't have, you have a consistent character Okay, so once you do it like this, you're going to have consistent characters. Your characters will not be different once you do it like this and once you use my prompt. All right, so this is how to actually generate your images with Qwen AI. You can also use every other AI. We have Whisk AI, we have Gemini. You can use every other one, but for the course of this video, I'm using Qwen AI. So right now, I have generated all my characters. I'm going to go ahead and download all of them one by one, and then once I'm done with that, we are going to head over to the next step, which is converting our images to video. Step 3. Here we are going to be using Grok AI to convert our images to video. Alright, so the next step is download Grok AI. It's absolutely free. Then click on Imagine. It's going to bring you to this interface where you have to upload the image you want to convert to video. Okay, so you're going to see upload. Click on upload and upload the image. So once you upload the image, they're going to start turning it to video, but don't worry, you can still customize it. Okay, so let's go ahead and upload our video. So click on upload here, go ahead and upload your video. Go back to ChatGPT and copy your image to video prompt. Once you copy your image to video prompt, you will see where they write customize video. Okay, so that your video will do what you want it to do. Click on customize. Paste that image to video prompt you copy from ChatGPT. You can still edit it small if you want to edit anything there. Like if you want the boy to be talking, you can make it personal. Write Benji the boy and then write Rumi the four. Just make ChatGPT, make Grok to know who to talk and who not to talk. Okay, so once you do that, once you are done with the editing, go ahead and send it. Is going to generate what um it's going to generate the video for you. Okay, so let's wait for this one to generate and see what it did for us. Okay, here it generated and you can see it's talking. So if you do not like it, you can still redo, okay? And then if you want it to be in HD, you can just click on upscale. You see three dotted line and click on upscale. You can upscale it to 3. Can you see how bright it is? And then go ahead and download your video. So we are going to do this for every other scene. All right, we are going to do for scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, and scene 5, depending on the number of scenes you have. So I'm going to go ahead and speed up this video and do it for every other scene. Bring in your image, go to ChatGPT, copy your image to video prompt, and then come back to Grok AI and customize your video. So I'm going to do this for all the scenes, and here is scene 2 generating. Okay, make sure you edit. Right, so once you are done with scene 2, head over to scene 3, generate for scene 3, head over to scene 4, depending on the number of scenes you have. So once you are done with that, we are going to make sure you always upscale to get HD so that your video can be bright, and make sure you always upscale. So do it for all your scenes, and then we are going to do the fourth step, okay, where you are going to compute all the videos together and post in any of your social media platform. The last part, which is step 4, is where you are going to bring in these videos together. Okay, all the videos that you generated from Grok AI, you're going to bring all of them together to make it one video. So I'm going to be using InShots, but you can also use CapCut, okay? But I like using InShots, so I'm going to be using InShots to put all the videos together. And once it's ready, I'm going to be posting it on any of my social media platform where I want to post it. And like that, you get views, you get monetized, and you start making money. So the last part, I'm going to be using InShot to edit my videos. So go ahead and click on InShot. If you have CapCut, very good. All right, go ahead and then click on video, click on new, create new, and then you're going to see all the videos I made. So you're going to import them one after the other. All right, so scene 1, add, okay, scene 2, scene 3, scene 4, scene 5, scene 6. Is it 7 scenes? I think it's 6 scenes, but we're going to check. All right, so this is it. So I'm going to be editing it here. All right, let's play it.
God is always with us. God is always with
So I
us.
think I downloaded it 2 times, so I'm going to remove one. And then the second one.
I won't be afraid. God gives us strength.
So once I'm done editing the video, I'm going to go ahead and download it and then head over to any of my platforms, YouTube, TikTok, and upload it. So if you find this video helpful, make sure you like this video, you subscribe, and you come back for more. If you have any AI tool that you want me to review for you, don't hesitate to let me know in the chat.